Hi, Tim Biggam for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges. Taking a look at a market that's finally looking like it may break out of this really quiet trading range. Past 6 trading days up until today really bounded 2,900 to 2,910 on the S&Ps. Every attempt to break above or fall below has been met, bringing it back in line here. We're finally up above that 2,910 with some conviction here. We'll see if it's a meaningful breakout or not. VIX looking like it wants to trade down with an 11 handle as well. So things finally looking like they may have some upside to them. Also taking a look at some upside, someone thinking there's some upside in BOX, B-O-X. They bought over 20,000 of the May 21 calls yesterday. Earnings aren't coming until the end of May, so not a earnings related play. So this stock trading around 20 bucks. More importantly, that implied vol went from 35 before that big call buyer to over 50 with that big call buyer coming in. So I'm jumping in, selling both sides in a neutral fashion, take advantage of some really rich option premium. Stock was exactly the same price about a week ago. The May 19 put 21 call sell strangle was priced about 80 cents. Yesterday traded up to $1.20. So I'm jumping in, selling that in a delta neutral way. Last I looked, the stock smack dab in the middle at 20. So really just looking for that IV to revert back towards its more traditional kind of 35 level once that big buying goes away, and we'll see about that. Another stock that I'm a little bit guarded on, given the massive run up, is Qualcomm here. So I'm doing a simple put calendar for cheap, buying the traditional May 17th expiration $80 puts, selling the May 10th expiration 80 puts, paying just about 20 cents for that spread. Really a cheap way to play for a pullback in Qualcomm. Got about a 9-point skew edge on the trade here. So given the fact that Qualcomm is raced above 80, not too long ago before that, Apple news, it was trading in the 50s. So I think a lot of the move up certainly was justified. I think it's getting a little extreme here as every analyst comes in to upgrade the stock now that it's ripped through their price levels. Other than that, we'll have to wait and see. As we said, VIX getting down, looking like it might trade with an 11 handle. So option price is getting cheap, which means favoring long option strategies, I think, to express directional opinions going forward. I think selling out of some stocks here, replacing with calls, probably is justified as well, given where IV is at. So until next time, as always, here's a good trading. Take care.